Anonymous function. Previously, every time we created a function, we would always give the function a name. However, sometimes it is easier to create a function directly in a variable or parameter without having to create a function first. This is called an anonymous function, or a function without a name. In this example, we create a variable named area assigned to an anonymous function in the Go programming language. The anonymous function takes two input parameters, L and B, both of type number, and returns an integer. Subsequently, we print the result of invoking the area variable with the inputs 20 and 30. When creating an anonymous function in Go, it is important to pay attention to the variable declaration. In this case, the area variable is declared with an anonymous function assigned to it. The function signature specifies two input parameters, L and B, and the return type is an integer. Exercise. Declare a variable multiply and assign an anonymous function to it. The function should take two integers as parameters and return their product. In addressing question number 1, we create a variable named multiply assigned to an anonymous function in the Go programming language. This anonymous function takes two input parameters, x and I, both of which are of type int, and returns an integer. Within the function, there is code to execute the multiplication operation between the input values x and I. Following the creation of the anonymous function, we declare a variable named product and assign it the result of invoking the multiply variable with the inputs 2 and 4. Subsequently, we print the result of the multiplication operation.